welcome to another online video training. Today we're going to take a look at PowerTeacher. PowerTeacher is the flip side of the coin of PowerSchool, and PowerTeacher is the teacher interface. There's also this thing you see over here in blue is called Gradebook. I will not cover Gradebook in this video. There's plenty to cover here with a PowerTeacher. So first of all, with PowerTeacher, you'll notice on this side you have the navigational panel. And we're going to just walk down this navigational panel. So the first thing is your start page. On this page here, you'll see all of your current classes that you're teaching. We have this one class advisory that I teach. Elementary, you'll just have your classes broken down, the main classes of social studies, social studies, math, science, Bible, so on and so forth. Now, it'll tell you the name of the class, and then this little checkbox here is attendance. For secondary, you'll have an attendance for every class that you have. For elementary, they take attendance a different way. So what will happen is, if you have just a Tuesday, Thursday class, this will be available only Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then after you've taken attendance, this will have a little green color on it to tell you that you've already taken attendance that day. Next, once here, these two kind of go hand in hand, and you can access this within here. So let's just go here. First of all, you come up on this multi-day attendance, so you can take a look at the last several weeks and see what the attendance has been in your class. Also, you'll notice that my class meets on Tuesday, Thursday. We didn't meet this day. So here's Thursday, here's Tuesday, here's Thursday. So those are the only days that I can do attendance. Okay, the next is seating chart. You can make a little seating chart and print it off. Here you'll notice it does have the students' faces, although I've blanked them out so you can't identify the children. Okay, so there's my seating chart. You can move these around under seating chart design. You move my empty chairs off to the side. I want 2 rows of 3, so I set it up like that, or however you want. You can move them around. You get the picture. Again, as with Moodle, up here in the corner, you push that button. I'm going to leave this page, and it takes you back to this page here. The next button here is meals, and if you're a homeroom teacher in secondary or an elementary teacher, you need to take a lunch count. Then the last one is a menu of prints pages that you can do. Drop that down, and you can cruise with that yourself. My favorite is this trip roster because it gives you all the information about each of your children. Next down is the daily bulletin, very much like PowerSchool that we just did. It says PowerTeacher. Schedule. It will be your schedule laid out like this. Okay, next is staff directory, which is a complete staff directory, but you see how it's kind of broken up, and I'm not even sure somehow who some of these people are. Meals. This will give you a chart of your use of your meal card. So the PowerSchool is the student's use of their meal card. PowerTeacher is your use of your meal card. Flip side. Personalize it, you don't want to do that. This will take you to Gradebook, which we're going to talk about when you get to China. And this is the reports. Like I said, my favorite report is this trip roster down here. And then recommendations is for you to put recommendations in. So I recommend this student to take this honors class, or no, I don't recommend this student to take this honors class. And as you see here, there is an app in the App Store that you could use on your iPhone or your iPad. And it's a pretty good app. Some teachers swear by it, some don't like it. So it's up to you. You're free to use that if you would like. Again, you have the help page up here. That way we suggest you use it. For every page, it's a page-sensitive health page. Here we have the notifications, printing, and your report queue if you have any reports. So that's about it. Thank you for watching yet another video of Tianjin International School.